Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have a finished diamond painting to share with you. This is one that was sent to me by Spell Queen to review for their website. This was 1 out of 4 and this is the first one that I chose to complete. So adorable. Absolutely love this image. It is a unicorn on a barn board background. Actually, the whole thing is on barn board, as you can see the lines go through. I absolutely love this. This was the square drill. Size was 50 by 50 and it is true to size on the actual image itself. So 50 from edge of image to edge of image. It worked up really super fast. Excellent quality on the drills. Lots of colors left over, or lots of drills left over in every single color. I did not run out of anything. Absolutely love it. I definitely recommend Spell Queen for the quality. Check it out. I'll link the unboxing below for you guys. I don't believe the image is still available. I think when I did the unboxing it wasn't, but I will check and see if I can find it again for you guys. Yeah. She's so cute. I love the red flower, just pops right out of all the other colors on there with her rainbow hair. Her eyes are beautiful. Her eye is beautiful. It's so cute. I'm super happy with the way this one turned out. And I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle on here, but it definitely shines. And the canvas quality of their new canvases, I absolutely love it. The super soft velvet on the back with the scalloped edging. They have 2 legends, DMC codes. Their symbols are really good. I had no issues seeing the symbols, no issues with stickiness. I don't know what else to say. I definitely absolutely loved it. The only thing with this image is it kind of looks like she has a question mark on her cheek. And she really doesn't. It's just that it's highlights in the pink and just the way that they sit, it looks like a question mark. So I might change it up, either complete the circle or take out one of these dots just so it doesn't look like a question mark. To me it does. And Madison pointed that out to me also, so not just me. But super, super cute. I'm definitely getting excited to try another one. I'm going to do one of the round drills because this one was a square drill. I'm going to do the round drill next so that you guys can see the quality of that one, but definitely highly recommend them. I will leave all the links for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.